Want to invite you to check out what we're doing Thursdays and Fridays in association with exceptional entrepreneurs. We're doing business networking, virtual business networking. We've been experimenting with this since March, and we have been having a great time. So we've been doing this, wow, 9 months now. Oh my goodness, how has this year been for you, right? Crazy. But I'm so pleased for what we've been able to do in this format. I don't want to spend a lot of time. I still got a lot of material to go over with you, but you can check out all the details here on meetup.com. Search for exceptional entrepreneurs. We have a meeting on Thursday and Friday. I open the doors at 11:30 to help people get checked in, make sure their Zoom's working, see if they have any questions, and facilitate an open networking time. Then at noon, we pull everyone back into the main meeting room, and we have an hour meeting, which includes education, networking education, how to make the most of your time. Everyone has an opportunity to introduce themselves. Then we have a speaker. Then we have shout outs, testimonials, and more. It's a great time. It's very efficient. We run that from noon to 1 Pacific. And then a lot of folks drop off right at the 1 o'clock time. You can always count on that so that you can get to your next meeting. But you're welcome to stick around because we do a little more open networking after that. We do that both Thursdays and Fridays, and I'll invite you to get all the information at meetup.com. It's my pleasure to lead that meeting and facilitate that, and I hope that you join us this year. We're going to keep it going.